Hi guys. Let's start with Toluna. Toluna, a famous site that has won many people several awards. On this site you can get products to try them for free and give your opinion. Toluna give you a good experience of interacting with other people. To sign up, nothing simpler. Just go to the Toluna site. A few minutes later, you will receive an email to activate your account. Then you upload your photo, optional, and you can chat with other members. At the end of your registration, you will have 500 points. After collecting a sufficient number of points, $20 for 60,000 points, you will be rewarded with prizes or paid via PayPal or Amazon gift card. You will have more points by answering polls and posting comments on Toluna. Tips for success. Exchange ideas with the community of more than 4 million members. Conduct the largest number of surveys to maximize your income. Participate in sponsored polls and earn more points. Now, join Toluna. Good luck. That's all for today. See you in another video.